Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to clone a repo. So I have here a public repo which I want to clone onto my local machine. So let's get started. First, you head on to the repo you wish to clone, then come to this part of the repo, the code part. So I'm going to be using HTTPS. So I'll just copy. Then go to my preferred location where I want this repo to be cloned. So I want it cloned here. So what I'll do is I have git bash installed. So I'll click on my git bash and type git clone. Do not forget I already have the URL copied. So I'm just going to right click and click on paste and press enter. This is going to clone it to my local machine. So what I want to do next is to go into this folder. So I'm just going to list the folders that are available here. So it's just this. Then I'm going to cd into this project folder. So I'll just type the begin, since I have just one. So I'm just going to type the H and press my tab key if you're on Windows. And this will automatically fill the name of the project for you. Then click enter. So I am there now. So what I want to do is use my Vscode to open it. So I'm just going to do code dots, and this will open it in my Vscode. So if you check, this project is a React project, as you can see. So this project is a React project. I'll do npm install, then npm start. So I have it running here. Come to my terminal over here. Do npm install. So it has finished installing on my local machine. So I'm just going to start the project now. So I'm going to do npm start. As you can see, the project runs very fine on my local machine, and you can go ahead and do all of these tasks that was outlined here. So the tasks for you to create a page header, a head text, and all of this to have this element showing. Yeah, so we're able to clone this repo to our local machine, and it's running very fine on our browser. Thank you very much for watching to the end. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to get more content like this. Bye.